Hey everyone, and welcome to Redberry Systems Training. I'm pumped to have you here. This is going to be an awesome journey as we dive deep into the world of business. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, we've all been there. We'll break down complex topics into bite-sized pieces. You'll be surprised how much you learn. This training is all about giving you the tools to win. We'll equip you with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the business world, whether you're starting your own venture or joining an established company. Get ready to unlock your potential and crush it. This session is all about the different ways you can structure your business. We'll cover the basics, from solo gigs to major corporations. Remember, choosing the right structure is key to your success. So buckle up, stay engaged, and let's get started. Let's kick things off by understanding the different types of businesses out there. Globally, businesses come in various shapes and sizes, each with its own set of rules and regulations. You've got your solopreneurs running their own show, partnerships where two or more individuals team up, and massive corporations with operations spanning continents. Here in Pakistan, we have a similar landscape with a few unique twists. The most common business structures you'll encounter are sole proprietorships, partnerships, associations of persons, AOPs, private limited companies, and public limited companies. Each structure comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages, so understanding the nuances is crucial. In the following sections, we'll break down each type of business entity commonly found in Pakistan. We'll explore their definitions, advantages, disadvantages, and the steps involved in setting them up. So, let's get down to business. First up, we have the simplest and most straightforward structure, the sole proprietorship. As the name suggests, this is a business owned and run by a single individual. The owner and the business are considered one entity, meaning there's no legal separation between the two. The beauty of a sole proprietorship lies in its simplicity. You call the shots, you reap all the profits, and setting up is relatively hassle-free. However, there's a flip side. Since there's no legal distinction between you and your business, you're personally liable for all business debts and obligations. Now, how do you set up shop as a sole proprietor in Pakistan? Good news, it's super easy. You typically need to obtain any required licenses and permits for your specific industry and register with the relevant tax authorities. And boom, you're in business. While the simplicity of a sole proprietorship is attractive, especially for small ventures, it's crucial to weigh the risks associated with unlimited liability. This means that if your business incurs debt or faces legal issues, your personal assets, like your home or car, could be at risk. It's a significant consideration, especially if you have a family or other dependents relying on you. Many sole proprietors find it beneficial to seek advice from financial advisors or business mentors. Educating yourself about the potential pitfalls and advantages can help you make informed decisions. Ultimately, the sole proprietorship can be a rewarding and flexible way to start your entrepreneurial journey. Just remember to stay informed and prepared for the responsibilities that come with it. Next, let's talk about joining forces with others. Partnerships and associations of persons, AOPs. These structures are essential for those looking to combine their skills, resources, and efforts to achieve common business goals. Partnerships involve two or more individuals who agree to share in the profits or losses of a business. This mutual agreement can significantly enhance the business's potential by leveraging the strengths and expertise of each partner. AOPs are similar, but often involve professionals like doctors or lawyers coming together for a common purpose. These associations allow professionals to offer a broader range of services and share the operational responsibilities. The main perk of these structures is the pooling of resources and expertise. This collaboration can lead to innovative solutions and more efficient business operations. You're not in it alone, which can be a huge advantage. Having partners means you can share the workload, brainstorm ideas together, and support each other through challenges. However, Keep in mind that, like sole proprietorships, partners typically face unlimited liability. This means that if the business incurs debt, each partner's personal assets could be at risk. This means your personal assets are on the line for business debts. It's a significant risk that requires careful consideration and planning. Forming a partnership, or AOP in Pakistan, requires a partnership deed or AOP agreement. This legal document is crucial as it lays the foundation for how the partnership will operate. This document outlines the rights and responsibilities of each partner, profit-sharing arrangements, and how decisions will be made. It serves as a roadmap for the partnership's operations and helps prevent misunderstandings. It's crucial to have a well-drafted agreement to avoid disputes down the road. A clear and comprehensive agreement can save time, money, and relationships in the long run. Once the agreement is in place, you'll need to register with the relevant authorities and obtain any necessary licenses and permits. This step ensures that your partnership, or AOP, is legally recognized and can operate without legal hindrances. Section 5. Leveling up. The realm of private limited companies. This is where businesses start to get serious. Ready to take things a step further? Let's explore the world of private limited companies and see how they can elevate your business. Let's dive into private limited companies. These entities are a popular choice for growing businesses. These are separate legal entities from their owners, offering the coveted limited liability protection. This means that the company itself is responsible for its debts. This means your personal assets are shielded from business debts and lawsuits. Essentially, your personal wealth is protected. Private companies can raise capital more easily than sole proprietorships or partnerships. They can issue shares to attract investors. They also tend to have more credibility in the eyes of customers, suppliers, and investors. This can open doors to new opportunities and partnerships. However, setting up and managing a private company comes with more stringent regulatory requirements. Compliance is key to maintaining your company's good standing. To incorporate a private limited company in Pakistan, you'll need to register with the Securities and Exchange Commission of Pakistan, or SECP. This is a crucial step in legitimizing your business. This involves reserving a company name, ensuring it is unique and not already in use. Drafting a memorandum of association outlining the company's objectives, which defines what your company aims to achieve, and articles of association, which are the internal rules of the company, detailing how it will be governed and operated, and fulfilling other regulatory requirements. This includes submitting necessary documents and paying registration fees. Once the SECP approves your registration, you'll receive a certificate of incorporation, which is a significant milestone, and your private limited company is officially good to go. This marks the beginning of a new chapter in your business journey, filled with potential and growth. Section 6. Going public. Navigating public limited companies. Now, let's talk about the big leagues. Public limited companies. These are companies listed on a stock exchange, meaning their shares can be bought and sold by the public. Going public allows for massive capital raising opportunities, but also comes with increased scrutiny and regulatory burdens. Public companies in Pakistan are governed by the Companies Act 2017 and must comply with listing regulations set by stock exchanges. The process of going public, known as an initial public offering or IPO, is complex and requires extensive legal and financial expertise. It's important to note that while going public can be a game changer for businesses seeking significant growth, it's not a decision to be taken lightly. The increased regulatory requirements, public scrutiny, and pressure to deliver shareholder value can be overwhelming for some companies. Section 7. Key takeaways: choosing your business path. So, we've covered a lot of ground today. From the simplicity of a sole proprietorship to the complexity of a public limited company, the right business structure depends on your specific circumstances. Factors to consider include your risk tolerance, capital needs, long-term goals, and the level of administrative burden you're willing to handle. Starting small and scaling up as your business grows is always an option. Remember, choosing the right business structure is crucial for success. Take your time, do your research, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice to make the best decision for your venture. Section 8. Get ready for our next lecture. That's a wrap for today's session. I hope you found this deep dive into business entities helpful. Remember, knowledge is power, and you're now equipped with the basics to navigate the exciting world of business. Stay tuned for our next lecture, where we'll demystify the banking and financial system in Pakistan. We'll explore how to access funding, manage your finances, and set yourself up for financial success. Until then, stay hungry, stay curious, and keep crushing it.